आगे बढ़ते हैं guys. There is a pathway consisting of a rectangular grid of roads which are either in the north south or in the east west direction. I want to travel from A to B by covering the minimum distance. In how many ways can I travel? Okay. So this network of this pathway basically consists of routes, okay, such that the roads are either going from north to south, means you can travel downwards like this, okay, or you can travel towards the right direction like this. Okay, so ऐसे कितने कॉम्बिनेशन बन सकते हैं? डाउन राइट देन डाउन राइट 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 डाउन, ऐसे ओके, एक तरीका हो गया. फिर राइट राइट डाउन राइट डाउन राइट डाउन राइट, ओके, ऐसे कितने कॉम्बिनेशन बन सकते हैं? सो दैट यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ए एंड यू रीच बी बाय ट्रैवलिंग द मिनिमम डिस्टेंस. मिनिमम मींस आपको 7 स्टेप लेने होंगे, सॉरी 8 स्टेप लेने होंगे, राइट? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ओके. एंड 8 में से आप कैसे भी डिवाइड कर लो. आप बेसिकली आपको राइट जाना होगा एग्जैक्टली 5 बार, और आपको नीचे जाना होगा 3 बार, है क्या? उसको कैसे भी डिवाइड कर लो आप. ओके, यू कैन आल्सो टेक डाउन राइट, ओके, डाउन डाउन राइट 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 राइट, ओके, ऐसे करके. सो in how many ways can you travel from A to B in this way, traveling minimum distance? That is the question asked. All right, so you can try it out, you can try this question guys, and then we'll discuss anyway. All right, so let's start. I'll take a very small grid for understanding. Okay, suppose आपको A से B से जाना होता, and this is what you have. Okay, only available small grids like this, A to B. Okay, अब suppose आपको यहाँ से travel करना हो रहा है A to B से minimum routes, minimum number of या minimum shortest path लेके, minimum distance लेके. So in how many ways could you travel? Okay, first way guys is you travel right right down down. That is the one way out. Okay, next way is right down right down. Okay, उसके बाद you can take down right. उसके बाद you can go down right down. राइट, उसके बाद यू कैन टेक डाउन राइट, उसके बाद यू कैन टेक राइट डाउन राइट, उसके बाद यू कैन टेक डाउन राइट राइट, ओके. एंड दीज आर बेसिकली योर 6 वेज, राइट? अगर हम ऑब्जर्व करें गाइस, थोड़ी देर पहले ही हमने सीखा है, व्हाट इज दिस? दीज आर बेसिकली 4 लेटर वर्ड्स, ओके, जिसमें से एग्जैक्टली 2 लेटर्स आर अलाइक एंड वन टाइप, and basically the second category also is alike and of second type, isn't it? Okay, so total number of ways of arranging them is 4 factorial divided by 2 into 2 factorial, which is 6 ways, right? So instead of listing down all these ways like in this particular fashion, what you can directly do is you can observe. देखो, आपको टोटल 1 2 3 4 स्टेप लेने हैं, जिसमें से 2 steps are to the right and 2 steps are down. Okay, so 2 steps are to the right, okay, alike and one type. 2 steps are down, alike and the second type. Okay, in how many ways can you arrange them? 6 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial to 2 factorial, right? Very simple. ये सेम चीज हम लोग इस क्वेश्चन में करेंगे गाइस. ओके, आपको 8 स्टेप्स लेने होंगे. आई टोल्ड यू 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ओके, 8 में से गाइस आपको बेसिकली 5 बार राइट जाना होगा और 3 बार डाउन जाना होगा. सो इन हाउ मेनी वेज कैन यू अरेंज देम? 8 factorial total arrangement divided by 5 factorial for all the rights and 3 factorial for all the downs. Okay, when you solve them you get 56. Okay, and that you do it by 876 upon 3 into 2. As simple as that, right? There is a pathway consisting of rectangular grids of roads which are either in this northeast, north south or east west direction. I want to travel from A to B through C and D by covering the minimum distance. In how many ways can I travel? Again, आपको अब A to B जाना है, but the condition is you have to travel from C and D. Okay, travel from C to D करना ही है आपको. Okay, in this case, so what we do is guys, we break the journey into 3 parts. Okay, you'll go from A to C पहले, then you go from C to D, the straight line, and then you go from D to B, right? So now the question has been divided into 3 parts. The first part is the A to C wala grid. The second part is C to D, okay, and the third part is D to B ka grid, okay. That's exactly what we'll do in this case. Okay, A to C ka grid, C to D ka grid, and D to B ka grid, right? So first step is to calculate the number of steps taken or the minimum distance travel wale path from A to C. Okay, guys, A to C mein you will go 1 2 3 4 4 steps right, 3 steps down, right? So it is 4 plus 3 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial 3 factorial, right? So A to C का number of ways कितना होगा? 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial, right? C to D का तो एक ही तरीका guys, you can see one straight road, right? And as you see आगे D to B के लिए क्या हो जाएगा? D to B के लिए again you take 5 steps guys, 3 to the right and 2 to down. So it is 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 3 factorial, okay? Now if you go on further, हमको सारे number of routes साथ में चाहिए. A to C भी चाहिए, C to D भी चाहिए, D to B भी चाहिए, right? So it is like you're going from Mumbai to Pune, Pune to Goa, and then Goa to probably Mahabaleshwar, whatever. Okay, so M ways, N ways, P ways. Total number of ways कितना हो जाएगा? M into N into P, right? So multiplying, what you get is 4 7 6 5 3 2 1 5 4 upon 2. So 2 3 पहले cancel हो जाएगा, बचेगा 35 into यहाँ का बचेगा 2 into 5 10. Answer is 350. All right, guys. So let's go on to the next question, and that is with the coordinate, with the x and y coordinate axis, the number of paths from 1 to 1 to 8 10. 1 1 to 8 10 basically via 4 6, where each step from any point xy is either to the x comma y plus 1 or to x plus 1 comma y is. Okay, so basically हो ये रहा है guys, जो starting from a point let's say 1 comma 1 and you're going from 8 to 10, okay, this coordinates, okay, starting from here to here, okay, but बीच में एक point आएगा 4,6, okay, and from any of these points you can travel only from xy to either x to y plus 1, मतलब आप एक से ऊपर जा सकते हो या फिर आप x plus 1 to y, मतलब आप एक स्टेप टू द राइट जा सकते हो, राइट, सो यू कैन ट्रैवल ओनली इन द राइट और द अप डायरेक्शन, and you're supposed to travel from 1 1 to 8 10 via 4 6. Okay, this is exactly what you're supposed to do. Okay guys, so let's see, यहाँ पे we have a grid, okay, 1 to 1 4 6 and then b as 8 10, okay, तो हमें क्या करना है गाइस, a to c का पहले नंबर ऑफ वेज निकालना है, c to b का नंबर ऑफ वेज निकालना है, एंड देन वी मल्टीप्लाई बोथ ऑफ देम, राइट, ओके, ना a to b में गाइस सी x चेंज हो रहा है 1 से लेके 4, सो मतलब आप 3 स्टेप जा रहे हो, राइट, एंड देन y चेंज हो रहा है 1 से 6, सो मतलब आप 5 स्टेप जा रहे हो, राइट, सो नंबर ऑफ वेज ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग इज 5 plus 3 8 factorial divided by 5 factorial 3 factorial, right. Same way, when you go from C to B, okay, X is changing from 4 to 8, मतलब you're going 4 steps towards the right, and Y हो रहा है guys 6 से लेके 10, again by 4 steps, right? So 4 plus 4 is 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial to 4 factorial, right? Okay, अब इनको multiply कर देना है total number of ways. That's all we are supposed to do here right now. Okay, so 8 7 6 3 2 1 बचेगा, 8 factorial upon 5 3 factorial, and 8 factorial upon 4 factorial, 4 factorial क्या बचेगा, 8 7 6 5 divided by 4 3 2 1. You can cancel out with common terms. You'll get 56 times 70. The answer is 3920.